Hey everybody, it's John from the Gloucester Library, and for today's craft time, let's make a paper airplane for National Paper Airplane Day. Alright, so this paper airplane is going to start a little different than most. Most of them you start by folding it in half first. This one you start by folding it diagonal first, just like this. And go ahead and crease it, then unfold and fold it the other way. And then unfold again. And now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this side in and have it line up with the crease that's going across as best you can. There we go. And then fold this side over, doing the same thing, following that crease as best you can. There we go. And then we're going to now fold it in half, this way. And then back out, unfold it. And now we're going to fold this all the way down to where this part lines up with the bottom. There we go, something like that. And now fold your side in to where it's going to line up with the seam right here. So when you see it, this little seam right here, you're going to try to fold and line this edge up with it. Just like that. And then the same thing with the other side. There we go. So when you're done, it'll look like that. And then go ahead and unfold them. And then using these spots as a guide, fold your middle back upward to where it intersects with the folds, where it's still going to be able to fold back in. See? Like that. And then we're going to fold this back in, just like that. Unfold. Then we're going to fold these in to where they line up with the edge of this one here. So we're going to follow that line all the way down. Fold it in like that. Do the same thing with the other side. So it'll look like that. And then fold them in one more time. To where they overlap like that. And now fold this part down to where it doesn't overlap, but it meets the tips of these guys here. So look like that. And now turn it over and fold it this way. Fold it in half again, like that. And now fold down using the bottoms of these right here as a guide to where you'll fold it across. Same thing on the other side. Let's try to line that up better. There we go. And there's our there's our paper airplane. There we go. So it'll look like that when you're all done. Alright, hope you enjoyed today's craft time, and happy National Paper Airplane Day. See you next time.